In this video, I'm going to show you how to add money to KOT4X. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to KOT4X, you want to sign in, and then here you can go to your dashboard. Now, you have two options of depositing, or three actually. You can click deposit up here, deposit funds over here, or deposit over here. Now, once you go to the deposit page, you'll have to basically first get your account verified. So, in case you haven't completed your verification yet, click on complete verification over here, or just go to verification tab here on the left. You want to verify your identity, and then once you get approved, your account is going to get verified. You'll be able to go back to your deposit funds tab. You'll be able to, of course, select your deposit type, and then you want to click on go to payment, which will take you to a page where you'll basically be able to pay via your method that you chose over here. And after you've done that, you'll basically see that your funds will be available basically shortly on your account over here, and you'll be able to start using them however you'd like. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.